Yo, fish sticks! Hungry for some seconds?
Go for it.
That's why you wouldn't talk!
What? How?
This right here, this is supposed to be red, not blue. I love Modigliani.
What?
You're gonna scare away all the fish by shining your light everywhere.
I'm surprised. Nothing's bitten yet.
Yeah. But who cares about fish? I want to see this monster.
Would you quit bringing that up?
Someone's scared. You want to turn back?
No, it's too late to turn back.
I know Spanish and Italian. I used to speak Hindi, but I've pretty much forgotten it.
Can I hear some?
It hardly seems relevant.
Read?
What?
You read?
I've been looking for snakes and other wildlife since I was little. I've always enjoyed nature, and I've picked up a hobby called herping. It's looking for reptiles and amphibians. The best time to look for reptiles depends on what you're looking for. I like to go at around sunset.